Well guys, I got it on the truck. We're gonna see if we can haul this thing out of here. It's all free and ready to roll. Let's see what happens. Well, I got it out of the hole. Those tires are shot though, in a bad way, but it's moving. There it is without all the weeds. I'm gonna take it over and we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna have to lube it and check it all out though. But we'll take it on over where it's gonna sit. Well, it's riding pretty good. The only problem I have is that one tire is flat in the one spot. That's how it was from sitting there. That's not any good. It thumbs hard when I hit that tire. Everything else is good. I mean, all it is a trailer frame. Not much to it. So I gotta figure out where we're gonna put it. I'll be back in a minute. Well, there it sits, guys. I got it in here for now, where it's gonna rest for the night. It's a big sawmill. I can't wait to get this running. But I'm gonna grease up. There's rollers. Every so often there's rollers I gotta grease up. There's fittings I have to lube up. I'm gonna oil the tracks for the carriage. And here's a whole mess of grease fittings all over the place up in this area. A lot of fittings to be lubed up, things to be oiled, more grease fittings. There's a lot of grease up in there. A lot of work to do to get it ready before I ever want to fire it up. It's been sitting a long time, so I definitely have a lot to do yet. If the weather permits tomorrow, I'll be out here working on it, see what I can get done, see how it goes. But it's getting a little later in the day right now. This took a while. More adjusting and wrenching on things than anything else. Anyway, here it is. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow my daily videos, or our daily videos, as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Hit that bell icon to get notifications of uploads. Another day coming to a close. We got this in here, and that's definitely going to help with self-sufficiency. Talk to you later.